Kamakailan ay nagdaos ng kanilang 10th year wedding anniversary sina John Prats at Isabel Oli. Ginanap ang kanilang renewal of vows sa Batangas kahapon May 18, 2025. Sa kanyang Instagram ay nagbigay naman ng mensahe si Isabel at sinabi ang ganito: "Wow, 10 years married to my childhood crush and best friend. It's been such a wild, beautiful ride filled with love, laughter, binge-watching documentaries or crime investigation shows, and spontaneous joyrides just for the fun of it. Who knew random night rides could be so much fun? They say time flies when you're with the right person, and honestly, it feels like we blink and suddenly we're celebrating a whole decade." Nagpasalamat din si Isabel sa Diyos sa lahat ng blessing na natanggap nila sa kanilang marriage. "I'm so grateful to God for blessing me with him. Proof that prayers really do get answered, sometimes with midnight snacks, Netflix marathons, and joyrides under the stars. Here's to many more years of love, laughter, crazy adventures, and making more unforgettable memories together by God's grace." Sa isang post naman ay nagbigay din ng mensahe si John Prats para sa kanyang asawa. "Grabe, happy 10th year wedding anniversary, my wifey. Bilis ng panahon, hindi na ako makahintay na pakasalan ka ulit. Pinakatamang desisyon ko sa buong buhay ko na ikaw ang pinakasalan ko. Cheers to forever, my coffee cake. I love you po." Ginanap ang kanilang renewal of vows sa Naomi Sanctuary Resort sa Batangas sa pagmamayari din ng pamilya ni John Prats. Kasama nilang nag-celebrate ang kanilang pamilya at napaka-cute din ng kanilang mga anak na sina Lily Feather, Daniel Freedom at Lila Forrest. Nandoon din si Camille Prats at ang kanyang asawa na si VJ Yambao kasama ang kanilang mga anak. Ayon kay Camille, "Love you both, 10 years. Ilang mga celebrities na kaibigan nila na nandoon para i-witness ang kanilang renewal of vows ay sina Catriona Gray, Jason D, ang mag-asawang sina Yeng Constantino at Victor Asuncion. Spotted din sina Coco Martin at Julia Montes. Nandoon din sina Patrick Garcia at asawang si Nika Garcia at sina Gian at Joyce Soto. Kapansin-pansin ang ganda ni Isabel Oli na ayon sa mga fans ay tila hindi tumanda at lalong gumaganda. Kung i-compare ang wedding nila 10 years ago ay parang kahapon lamang daw ito nangyari. Matatandang sa Batangas sinikinasal sina Isabel at John Prats noong May 16, 2015. Napaka-sweet din ang mensahe noon ni Camille para sa kanyang kuya, na ayon kay Camille ay paniguradong magiging sweet at mabait na husband si John kay Isabel. Ayon kay Camille, "Congratulations to the new Mr. and Mrs. Prats. Kuya, I know you will be a good husband and father to your future kids. To our new ate Miss Isabel Oli, we are happy and blessed to have you as part of the family. Dumadami na ang girl power sa Prats. Be here to love and support you both." Isa din si Angelica Panganiban sa umaten sa church wedding ni John Prats at Isabel noong 2015. Matatandang nagkaroon ng garden wedding noon at kasunod nga nito ay ang church wedding naman ng dalawa. Narito ang ilan sa mga photos at alalahanin ang napaka-cute na wedding ni John at Isabel.
Lion in the dark. commit to live as Christ loves the church?
I do.
Do you commit to continually provide for and protect her to the best of your ability?
I do.
Do you commit to live a godly life and follow Jesus Christ for the rest of your life to the best of your ability?
I do.
Do you commit to be the spiritual leader of your home and be a godly example to your wife and your children?
I do.
Do you commit to continually raise up your children in the knowledge and fear of God according to the Bible? And do you commit once again to always be faithful, not to forsake her in good times and in bad times, in health and in sickness, till death do you part? Now Liv, it's your turn. Hold the mic and face John, and if you agree with the question, please say I do. Do you commit to love John faithfully and unconditionally?
I do.
Do you commit to continually respect, honor, and submit to him as unto the Lord?
Oh, yes.
Yan, walang
Still
duda.
practicing, I do.
Walang
Still
duda.
practicing on that.
Ladies and gentlemen, our groom, John Paulo Knox. Round of applause together with his kids.
Samantala, narito naman ang ilan sa mga highlights ng kanilang renewal of vows at 10th year wedding anniversary.
Content